Hi, and welcome back to the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. This weekend we were maintaining all of our habits. I will link them down below for you to review since this is the last week, as we come to be quite a lot, but they're super duper manageable, right? But today on the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we're going to add not one, but two things into the mix. The Flylady really wants us to love ourselves. So the Flylady system is not just about cleaning, but to ensure that we're also taking care of ourselves too. So today we're going to add two things, and they both will be going into our afternoon routine. But if you work outside the home, please adjust this accordingly. So for the afternoon, we are now going to add eat your lunch. How many times have we forgotten to eat lunch or have eaten anything haphazardly because we didn't think about what we would eat? How often do we think about how we're going to nourish our bodies? If you're a mom of littles like me, I know it's pretty hard to think about those things. So we're going to add eat your lunch to our afternoon routine. Another one that we're going to add to our afternoon routine today is 15 minutes of fun. That's right, we're going to schedule in 15 minutes of our day to just have some fun. Have you been wanting to get into a cool new hobby, or maybe you already have a hobby but don't have time to practice it? Maybe you want to read a book but you don't really find the time. Do you like puzzles or coloring? Whatever it is, every single day from today until forever, we're going to schedule 15 minutes into our day to just have fun. If you do work outside the home, maybe you can schedule this in the morning if you get up 15 minutes earlier, or even in the evening as a way to wind down after work. It is completely up to you. Remember, this is totally customizable. But wow, look how far we have come, and we've been having so much fun along the way. But speaking of fun, if you want to make a fun, easy, and affordable fall floral arrangement, check out this video here where I show you exactly how you can do that in $15 or less. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.